Hey, what's going on, everyone? Slick Nick here. It is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. It's also Cinco de Mayo today, so I wish everybody a happy and safe Cinco de Mayo. I hope everybody's been doing okay with this pandemic going on and all. We still have a ways to go, but keeping fingers crossed that we'll get through this. Remember, we're all in this together. Anyways, I'm about to show you some footage that I shot during the demolition of the Burbank Boulevard overpass over Interstate 5, and also some of the remains of it, and a time-lapse video from my dash cam of me driving through that area and also heading over to BJ's to pick up some food. So check it out.
This is all that's left of the Burbank Boulevard overpass. This is what remains of the Burbank Boulevard overpass over Interstate 5, Burbank, California. Clean freeway over there. This is something you don't see every day in LA County. In the future, it'll be back with a new overpass. Mud puddles. Oh, look at that. Burbank Boulevard exit is open again. But will I be able to go straight? Well, I can check it out. Now the Burbank Boulevard overpass has now been demolished. Well, there's only like a couple pieces of it left. But this is part of the new ramp, and they're kind of shifting the freeway over a little bit. Right turn only. Can't go straight. Damn it.
So there you have it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope everybody stays safe out there. Remember, always wash your hands. Be very careful. Use common sense. Until next time, peace.